In this video, we're going to show you how to customize proposals in Vendasta so you can create professional, personalized proposals that help you close deals faster. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your proposals stand out and give you the edge over your competition. Now, before we dive in, if you're new to Vendasta or you're looking to give it a try, you can use it completely free through the first link below, plus get some exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Proposals section from the main menu. This is where the magic happens, and it's the place where you can create all your customized proposals. The platform offers templates to make things easier, but we're going to show you how to customize them, step by step. The second thing you'll want to do is select a proposal template. Vendasta offers pre-designed templates that cover a variety of services, but you can fully edit them to reflect your unique offerings. Simply click on the Create Proposal button and choose the template that best fits your needs. From here, you'll be able to replace or edit text, images, and sections, making the proposal more tailored to your client's needs. Next, let's talk about adding your services to the proposal. Once you've chosen your template, click into the sections where you want to add or modify the service. Vendasta lets you add descriptions, pricing, and options for upsells or add-ons. You can even adjust the pricing based on client-specific needs. The more personalized the proposal, the more likely it is to convert into a sale. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is how to add client details. This is key to ensuring the proposal feels custom to them. You can input the client's name, business details, and other relevant information, which will automatically populate throughout the document. This helps you avoid any mistakes and ensures the proposal looks professional. Finally, the last thing we'll cover is how to finalize and send the proposal. Once you've finished customizing it, Vendasta allows you to preview your work. Make sure everything looks just right, then click Send to deliver the proposal to your client. The platform will track when the proposal is opened, so you can follow up at the right time. One thing to note is that you can also integrate with CRM tools to automate this process further, saving you time on manual tasks. Remember, this whole process can be done quickly and easily. And before you go, don't forget that you can try Vendasta completely free using the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses we've partnered with them on just for you. So, that's how you customize proposals in Vendasta. By customizing your proposals, you're able to give your clients exactly what they're looking for, while also saving yourself time. Give it a shot and see how much easier your sales process can be.